Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Today we're going to be building a cross out of horseshoes and possibly doing a wine rack. It's going to be holding some glasses and a wine bottle. So let's get started. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Remember guys, check out my merch. I got some hats, got some beanies, sweatshirts, shirts, got some cool stuff. Links down below. Alright guys, let's get at it. Alright guys, so we got a few horseshoes here. Looking at doing some big ones and possibly some small ones. Generally what you do is you would cut them, pinch them together and weld it together, but we're going to try it on the forge where we're just trying to pinch it and overlap it and see what that looks like. So let's go over to the forge, light that thing up and start bending some metal. Alright buddy, you excited about this? Mm-hmm. Cool little project for mom?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're going to start up the forge here. My brother's getting it lit up in the back here. Got to get everything together.
Alright, you ready? Now we're going to get right on that hit, right on the top. Alright, that's good, that's good. Now we open that shape up.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to hammer right there. Stop now, see how we got a little bit of bows?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to flatten it a little bit. So hit right there on that, there we go. Alright, that's good. Next time, we're going to do this. Now see how we bypassed it? So next time we're going to hammer this branch past that point. So this will be over here.
Okay.
To make the fish loop, okay?
Okay. Oh.
How's that go?
Oh, it's red hot.
Yeah.
So you're going to hit right there. Actually, hold on 1 second. Go ahead and add it. Alright, that's good. Now we're just going to do this. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit more here, get a little bit more pass. So hit it, we're going to hit
I
it.
think you need to put it right there.
Hit it right there. There we go. That's good, that's good. Alright, come. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit here. Go ahead and hit right on top of that. That's good. That's good. See how we close that up?
Yeah.
And then we made the fish look. Okay. Okay, so we're going to hit right there. Right there. Alright, that's good. Just tighten it up a little bit for us. Alright, so hit. See that curl right there?
Yeah.
And I'll move the handle. I want you to hit the same, I want you to go down the same spot and I'll move the steel, okay?
Okay.
As long as they all kind of look the same, I think it's going to be good. Let the hammer do the work.
Yeah. So we'll talk about it again in a second. So we're just gonna hit. I want you to hit one. See the flat side of the handle? That's what we're gonna hit. I want to get one here, one here, one here. Left. There you go. Yep. Perfect. And what you can also do, see how I told you to go here, here, here? What you can do is, if you were doing this, right? Let's say, see this spot right there, right? You can hit the same spot and move the steel where you want it. Does that make sense? So all you have to do is, if you can get in the rhythm of doing this, put the steel where you want it. This way, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? So that will help you big time.
The important thing is you keep your eye on where you're hitting the hammer, and it'll go where you're looking.
Okay, so I'm gonna cool these down, and then we'll shake it around a little bit. There you go.
Oh, that's so cool.
So we'll hold on. You know what
Nice.
we'll do? Go ahead and stop for a second.
Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing here, I'm going to be using some horseshoes to make a fruit bowl, okay? So we're going to be doing something like this, all the way around, okay? Not much forging here, mainly just welding, but you get to use these cool horseshoes. So, let's go ahead and get these organized the way I want them. Alright guys, so about halfway through the build, we're looking at it, we just didn't like the angle of it, so I had to grind those welds off. We're going to move it to the outside and then start over. All right, guys, so there is the fruit bowl.